Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your own squishy clay. So what you're going to need is something to stir with, a big bowl, 1 cup of flour, a fourth cup of salt, and half cup of water, and 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So what you're going to do first is just dump all the ingredients in the bowl. Like that. And last thing you're going to do is mix them all together until it's like clay. That's it. If you think if your clay is too watery or something, like oily or something, then cut a little more flour in, but you really don't need a lot. And you want to just stir it until it's nice and thick. So stir it until it's like really hard to stir. You have this. And then once you got it really thick, like I'm still working on, all you have to do after that is mold it into whatever you want. And when it dries, it'll be a squishy. So thanks for watching. And I'll be showing some videos on how to make different homemade squishies. So you can always search those videos too. And when we're done with it, see how it's like. That's where you want it. You can add a little more flour. And that's how you make squishy clay. Thanks